Please like and subscribe and get my kids off my case for not having enough likes. I'm not cool. Today we're going into JScan and we are going to change the tire size because I got bigger tires and it's throwing off my miles per gallon and my speedo. So you're going to go in here and you're going to select your DT RAM and then go to adaptation. And then once you find adaptation, you go down to tire and axles. It's like 5 or 6 up from the bottom. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to tire size. And you're going to have a menu here that allows you to go through everything. I went from a 32.5 to a 34.5. And it said to go to 1/4 inch smaller. So I went to 34.25. And it worked perfectly. It might be like a half a mile an hour off, but when I go to 34.5, then it's much higher. So I went back and it works perfect.